Fresh funds for digitalisation, enhanced company support and upskilling opportunities for workers, all on the cards thanks to a 3-year plan to transform Singapore's economy. It's expected to cost $24 billion. Gwyneth Teo with more.
In recent years, geopolitical shifts have taken place, with friction occurring as the world adapted to a rising China. The world order was kept stable by interdependent markets and supply chains, but COVID-19 disrupted that tenuous equilibrium.
Overnight, the virus revealed the vulnerabilities of interconnected supply chains. The race for vaccines and the rush for economic recovery have also surfaced nationalist tendencies. These events will play a significant part in countries' and businesses' calculations as they rebuild their value chains and business networks.
Mr. Heng says Singapore can capitalise on these to emerge stronger and remain relevant to the world. That's through investing in rising trends such as the digital economy, sustainable development and deep tech. Workers will also get help to upskill and be prepared for jobs in these new growth sectors.
The ultimate goal of economic growth is to improve the jobs and lives of Singaporeans. The only way to sustain such improvements is by raising productivity, where firms transform in ways that bring workers along.
Mr. Heng characterised Budget 2021 as a doubling down on the work of previous budgets to survive and seize opportunities of the future. For instance, in funding the 3-year Action Plan for Economic Transformation, $4.4 billion is from last year's Unity budget. $19.6 billion will be fresh funds. At the same time, this medium to long-term strategy comes at a time of an immediate economic pinch for ordinary people.
But I want to assure members that the government has also been putting in place multiple layers of support, which will continue to provide targeted, customized relief to help Singaporeans differently affected by COVID-19 and the uneven K-shaped recovery.
These layers start with broad-based permanent schemes to protect all Singaporeans. Then there was temporary assistance to provide additional support to vulnerable groups when the crisis hit. There were also quick payouts such as the Solidarity Payment and Care and Support Cash to support daily expenses. And for those whose jobs and livelihoods were disrupted, there was support given, such as the COVID-19 Support Grant and Temporary Relief Fund.